What's your emergency?
You might want to sit down for this. Believe me, I wasn't ready there. It all happened in a second, and I remember I was texting you about how my exam went really well. What a pity this will be just my memory. You will never know how I felt. I was happy to go home and go back to your arms. But I guess this will never happen. 'Cause everything has changed in a fraction of a second. But I hope you won't forget me. Please don't. I wish I knew it was my last train home. I didn't know that I'd be gone. I wish I knew it was my last train home. I didn't know that I'd be gone. So goodbye for now. My last thoughts, my last miles, my last steps to you, my last legs, my last words, my last heartbeat for you. Please don't let me go. Let me go. 'Cause I don't want to let go. I wish I knew it was my last train home. I didn't know that I'd be good. I wish I knew it was my last train home. I didn't know that I'd be good. So goodbye for now. And this were my last words to you. I'm on the train, I'm coming home. I love you so, I'll see you soon. I'm on the train, I'm coming